All right, so we are on exercise number 2 for arpeggio for the workout, for this workout. So uh, this is different as far as timing subdivision. Make sure that you know that this is 16th notes, not 8th notes like exercise number 1. And let's see, I think we're going to do it at 50 or something around there, and then 80. I think that's what I have decided. So 52, I'll start out at 52. These are really common chords for alegrias in E major. So get used to these chords. I wrote out I put the chord diagrams for you. Just get really used to those chords. Practice them separately if they're a challenge. And so this has that use of the rolling thumb into the arpeggio and then other arpeggio work. So this is definitely next level above what we just did. Okay? Here we go. I'll count in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we will start. Okay, so now we're at 52. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So I just want to make sure you have to let you know real quickly that from that A to the G sharp with a flat 9, don't lift your hand. So you have that A, leave your pinky exactly where it is. Okay, leave your pinky right here. Now bring all your other fingers there. So you shift the bar and everything, but your pinky stays behind. Okay? So now I have it at 80, I'll count in 4, and we'll go to work, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch that drop down to the E. I got behind both times, so I'm not happy with that, but close enough for you guys to get the gist and to warn you. Okay? So, see, I mess up just to help you out. I'm such a nice guitar teacher. So, have a great day. Enjoy the work. Bye-bye.